I've got a secret to share, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about YouTube success. We're talking about a faceless YouTube channel that could earn you $9,000 or more monthly. Now, this isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. At the heart of this strategy is a suite of AI tools that will become your tireless workforce. ChatGPT, the language model that's taken the world by storm, is your primary content generator. It's not just spitting out random text, it's crafting riddles, quizzes, titles, descriptions, and even hashtags tailored to your channel's needs. And if ChatGPT isn't quite hitting the mark, Google Bard is waiting in the wings, ready to step in and generate those brain teasers that will keep your audience coming back for more. Now you might be thinking, why riddles and quizzes? Well, let me tell you, these aren't just any content, they're engagement magnets. These bite-sized brain teasers do more than just entertain. They challenge, they intrigue, and most importantly, they make people want to share. It's not about creating content, it's about sparking conversations. And in the algorithm-driven landscape of YouTube, engagement is king. Let's talk about the video creation process. It starts with a simple background in Canva, nothing flashy, just enough to set the stage. Then comes the text, the lifeblood of your riddle or quiz, pulled straight from your Google Sheet of AI-generated content. And the cherry on top? Music. Not just any music, mind you, but royalty-free tracks that add atmosphere without the copyright headaches. The result? A short, snappy video that's primed for virality. It's not about production value, it's about capturing attention in those crucial first seconds. Now this is where things get really interesting. The Canva Bulk Create app is your secret weapon in the content arms race. Once you've set up your template, this tool becomes your personal assembly line, churning out video after video with minimal input from you. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Picture this scenario. You sleep, and your AI workforce doesn't. It's generating riddles, creating visuals, and compiling videos. Now let's talk numbers. We're not dealing in hypotheticals here. We're looking at real channels, real views, and real money. Using the view page source method and social blade estimations, we can peek behind the curtain of successful channels. And what do we see? Channels pulling in $9,000 a month. Another estimated at $60,000 a year. But here's the kicker. These aren't outliers. They're examples of what's possible when you combine viral content with relentless automation. In this fast-paced digital gold rush, standing still is moving backward. Regular uploads aren't just a good idea, they're essential. But it's not just about quantity, it's about staying on top of trends, experimenting with new ideas, and constantly refining your approach. The AI tools are your foundation, but your creativity and adaptability are what will set you apart in an increasingly crowded field. Think of it as an ever-evolving puzzle where the pieces keep changing shape. So there you have it, the blueprint for an AI-powered, faceless YouTube channel that could be your ticket to financial freedom. It's not about your face on camera or your voice in a microphone, it's about leveraging technology to create content that resonates, engages, and yes, potentially makes money. The future of content creation is here, and it's waiting for you to seize it. Are you ready to start your AI-powered YouTube journey? Well, what are you waiting for?